And there you have it, simple makeup tutorial. No need to add blusher and did your eyebrow unless your eyebrows does not have the same vibe as your eyeshadow look. As you can see here, the eyeliner is a little bit cakey on my eyeshadow. Still, keep it thin and let your eyeshadow shine. You can see that playing with the right tone gives off natural glow on your eyeshadow look. And those lipstick easy to smear off everywhere. But yeah, that's it. So I guess that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to, like this video and share it to your friends if you think that this video is useful or funny, or maybe, you know, yeah, whatsoever kind of stuff that you want to make fun of me to your friends, whatever, do it. Anyway, so yeah, I literally wear like the most prettiest, you know, baju kurung with this tudung, and then, you know, wearing makeup, but I have nowhere to go. I'm just stuck at home because yeah, quarantine whatsoever. But yeah, I do enjoy wearing makeups and then do photo shoots in my own room. So yeah, I guess that's all then. So bye bye.